Oh, good morning. William, Williams, Philippines. It's Tuesday at about 5:45 in the AM, and I'm supposed to be getting up and going to get my eye done this one, but they called and canceled yesterday. I told you that yesterday evening. I'm kind of sad. Really did want to get this done now. Eh, it's okay. It's just one more day of running around trying to see things one-eyed because if they're both open, everything's fuzzy. But with one eye closed, I can actually read. It's like just part of it. Uh, the milk in the background. It's a mirror reflection. It says farm fresh. yeah, my question is how can something be farm fresh if it's left at the farm? Yeah, in a box. I know all these so civilized questions. Mm. It is what it is. Anyway, got a little more localized search done on the area that I'm going to. And in about a 6 block, 7 block area, there's 6 different stores. And it's really around the corner from Magellan's Cross and just a couple more blocks to Carbon Market. Carbon Market. So I've been over there a couple times and didn't even know I was in the right area. Done some more searching. Now I know where I'm going. God, trying to figure out all these different places. This city's big. Yeah, I don't know what the total is for the whole city, but it's crowded. Lots of people. Now you got to realize I consider Amarillo to be kind of on the crowded side. So for me, this is way crowded. It is what it is. Also, still haven't been to SM Seaside. And I was looking at that because it's just a little bit further down the road from Carbon Market. Yeah, that place is huge. I was looking at one of the malls I've been to, and yeah, I don't know for sure how many stories that SM Seaside has, but I know it's more than three, or it's at least three, if not more. I think it's more. Yeah. And footprint wise, it was well, about the little place I've been to was about 40% footprint size of SMC, Seaside. So 2.5 times bigger. Oh my gosh. Yeah, definitely a big place. I'll have to. Part of me says, go now. check it out. The other part says, oh, hell no, that's too big. And I don't know. I would like to take and go over there and check it out. Part of me says no, though. Literally. Oh my gosh, that place is huge. I'm wondering how big of a crowd it could have. And from what I'm understanding, Christmas is really big here. And how many more people are going to be in these malls during that time? Uh, I don't know. Uh, saw a page on what was it? I think it was TikTok where they had an event going on there, and somebody posted something. Uh, but it was at a mall that was in Manila, some anime Comic Con kind of thing. And I got a friend that really loves that stuff. He's gone to several of them and enjoyed them. And over here, there's, some of those Comic Con things go on here. Uh, and because I got over found that little piece, I went and dug a little further, and Baguio has some of that stuff going on. So yeah, interesting. I don't know. Uh, Part of me says, "Go check it out." The other part says, "Oh no, too many people." Then another part of me says, "And you're going to let that stop you? Why?" You ever wonder some days where you're your own worst enemy? Yeah. Part of me says, "Don't let this stop you from doing something. Just because you don't like large crowds, don't mean you can't be in one." And part of that's got me here is okay. The Philippines is crowded. Cebu is way crowded, and yeah, I don't know. Part of me wants to just try to go face all that. The other part is like, oh hell no. I can find a rock to hide under. Just saying. Coffee. More civilization. Yeah, I need it. But yeah, it is what it is. And letting things, why should you let things stop you from doing something you want to do? Of course, part of me questions why would I ever want to go to some place that big, that crowded? I don't know. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna try to go over and get my laundry in today. Try to head over to those stores, the tackle stores that I found in that one area near Carbon Market. I may swing by Carbone Market and see what it's like during really, more like during the day. I don't know. We'll see how energetic I'm feeling by the time I get done checking out the stores. And if I have anything to go toting home. Uh, I don't know. But it is possible I may get over there. We'll see. But I know I want to get over and try to get to the uh, tackle stores. So, yay. Part of me wants to try and do this on the bus. Another part of me says, oh no. Torn and conflicted are my thoughts on this process. Uh, it is what it is. So, yeah, I do want to get over there and try uh, to find a rod and reel and some tackle. I think my phone just said, hey, I'm charged. I can honestly say this little Bevo, it holds charge good. Uh, yeah, when I have it on standby, it actually goes, well, I had it on standby most of the last 2 days. I only used it a little bit yesterday, and I'm still above 50%. So, yeah, that's good. And it charges fast. That's good too. So, yeah. Anyway, got to get that figured out. I'm going to try to carry my laundry over there, get it took care of too. So, I don't know. Try the bus? We'll see. Haven't decided yet. It is what it is. Decisions, decisions. Make plans, hear God laugh. It is what it is. I think sometimes God has a real sense of humor. I mean, really. Anyway, this is Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. It's you. Yeah, left ear, right ear, heart, head, God. Figure it out. Do what you want to do, and hey, try to do it and be happy about it because hey, it is your choice. Anyway, looks like it's 6 o'clock now. We're real close to it. Yeah. Did I put this in? Yeah, I didn't. I got all that done and it's backwards. Sorry. I needed more coffee. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. And again, more food. Enjoy it. This is Williams Philippines. I'm Fish. And hey, Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.